Don't mind my hat or my hair. Having a super bad hair day. But who cares? Anywho, welcome back. This has been like well overdue because everybody has been waiting for me to say this. But we have hit 100.
Read my lips. 100.
What's up, Goddess Gang? We are back with another video, and you already know that this video is well overdue because the gang is 100 and deep. Okay, we 100 deep. So from me to you, I'm doing a giveaway. But before we get into that, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you comment down below because if you don't, you will not be able to enter the giveaway. Also, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you're following me on all social media, which is my Twitter and my Instagram at @ZeRealLipGoddess. Oh, don't forget my Snapchat. So this video is going to be about what I'll be giving away, my appreciation from me to my subscriber. There will be one winner. Alright, so the first thing I'll be giving away is the Smashbox Superfan Mascara. This is going to give your lashes lifting and volume and everything and all that there. Okay? So this is the mascara. It's super bomb. Like, I'll even, let's see. I don't like to open it because, like, you see how, like, it's super clean in the inside, but I wanted y'all to see, like, the wand. I'm not going to do it because whoever the winner is going to be is going to want to be in it. You know, this is their stuff. So, yeah, along with the Smashbox mascara, you will receive a cute little fanny pack with some lashes on it. It's so cute. That is so cute. Look at that. And then I'm going to be giving away, y'all know I'm all about skincare, okay? I'm all about skincare. Like, everything is skincare for me. So, basically I'm going to be giving away the Clarks Bonicles Overnight Cream. This little bad boy. And you basically apply a fresh layer of this over top of a freshly cleaned face. And you'll have your morning results, because you know overnight your skin repair itself, so then that's when you'll be able to see your results in the morning after a fresh rinse, whatever. But yeah, this is the overnight cream that I'll be giving away. And then I'm going to be giving away a Realher Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick in the color Mauve. I'm not going to open it. Y'all already know what color Mauve is. So, of course, it's like a pinky little color, kind of. And last but not least, I'm giving away 4 Morphe brushes. So, I'll be giving away the Morphe E47 brush. And this is the hairs on the brush. This is an angle brush for your eyebrows if you fill in with like powders, or if you want to draw with a wing. This is the perfect brush for you. Then I'm going to be giving away the Morphe E47 brush, which is a contour brush for like your nose, the precision, y'all, for the nose. These brushes are so bomb. Like, I'm going to have to order these on my own for myself, but I'm going to give them away. But yeah, this is the Morphe E47 brush. And again, I'll open it just so that you can see it. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Like, whoever this winner is, girl. And you're also going to receive a Morphe R2 brush. It's a powder all over face brush. Like, look at the hairs. They're like super, super soft. Super cute. I love the rose gold. Baby, like, you're about to be living life with these brushes. Then the E17 brush. This brush is an eyeshadow brush. It's like for precision, but I love like blending brushes. Look at that. That is just so adorable. So that's all that I'll be giving away for my Morphe brush set. It's a new brush set. It's the April brushes. Also, I'll leave a link down below so that you all can also subscribe to the Morphe subscription. It's like $19 a month, but I'll leave my code underneath so that you can receive 100 points and also receive your monthly brushes and a free brush from me. Like, you can't beat it. But make sure in order to enter the giveaway, you comment underneath this video with a red kiss and your Instagram name. Also, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you are following me on all of my social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I will be checking in order for you to win. I hope. May the winner take all. May the winner take all. Again, thank you guys so much for all of your support. This means so much to me. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.